Alright guys, so today we got a 95 Chevy Silverado, and today we're doing a fuel pump replacement. So we got a little trick, going on here to do it quick, fast. We unbolt the four bolts that it has on each side. One person lift up the bed, another one just puts the jack in there, jack it up how we have it. Show them the setup right here real quick. That's how we got it right there, and then it'll give us enough space. We can even jack it up a little bit more to get to the fuel pump. So either me or my man Joel will show you how to fix it and replace it, and how to take out the little sensors and the little tubes that it has in there. Connectors.
I'll show you what the new pump looks like. Get back at you.
All right, so we're doing this 95 Chevy Silverado fuel pump. Take out 8 18mm screws. Lift up the bed on one side. Already got the new fuel pump here, and it comes with the new fuel filter. So I don't know, it's quite different than the used. What the fuck is load at?
Alright, cut.
That cut? You mean start? Alright, let me know when you're ready.
Just like that, Lassie. New fuel pump is in. Like McLovin, it's in. See that there, folks? That's the Tex-Mex style. Have a fuel pump done in less than an hour. We done forgot about this lady with a fucking blown tire, but it's alright.